Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you an ingredient that would actually make you look beautiful even without applying makeup. This remedy is so powerful that is going to help to remove all of those dark spots, those clogged pores, those pigments, those fine lines, and those age problems. Yeah, and this is natural, and I tried to make sure to look for the ingredients that you can actually find, and they are actually very simple. Yeah, so let me take you right into this video. Yeah, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. So to look super duper young and beautiful without makeup, you're gonna be needing some berry. Okay, so I actually plug in my berry in here, and we're gonna be putting it into a blender, and then we're just going to blend this out without putting in water, guys. So this is it, and I'm gonna be turning that into this bowl, and this is my berry. So to get that beautiful skin and a toned clear skin, you're equally going to be making use of rice powder. Okay, rice powder is a great ingredient that helps to rejuvenate, clear the skin, and make your skin look toned. So we're going to be mixing this all up, and we're equally going to be needing some sugar. Now sugar contains a smaller granular particles that helps to rejuvenate the skin, make the skin look super duper soft, clear up the clogged pores, and make your skin look toned. So we're going to be putting about 2 tablespoons of that into this, and then we would be giving it a good stir. Now to make this work really fine and to even out your skin, we're going to be needing some turmeric. I would have used some fresh turmeric because I do have some fresh turmeric, but I would still prefer to use my turmeric powder, which is actually very effective also. So turmeric powder helps to lighten up the skin, it helps to fade out dark spots, and it also helps to rejuvenate and make your skin look beautiful even without applying any makeup. So to make this very effective, you're going to be needing tomato. Now tomato works in rejuvenating, clearing up your skin, removing all unwanted hair, and helping your skin smooth out really great. Okay, so if you want a smooth skin, you have to make use of tomato. So I'm gonna be blending that out as well. Okay, so now we would have to be turning that into this bowl, and then we'll stir this all up. And you have to stir very well. And yeah guys, this is actually going to help you look beautiful even without applying makeup. You know what it's going to do? I'm gonna be telling you while I'm applying it onto my face. So this is it guys, and you are going to be loving every bit of this. Okay, so you can apply this at least 2 times to 3 times a week, and your skin is going to tell from afar. Yeah, let's go apply it. Okay guys, so this is actually going to help you look beautiful even without applying makeup. Now I'm going to be showing you the step. The first thing you do is to dab your face with water. Now the reason why you dab your face with water is so that this natural remedy is going to get into your skin. Okay, you know it is actually natural. There's no chemical, there's no preservative. It is purely natural. So you have to get your face ready to apply this. Yeah, now when you have gotten your face ready, then you would apply this onto your whole beautiful face. So you apply this generously onto your face. Okay, so after a generous application of this on your face, then you can scrub. Now the particles in it is going to enable your scrubbing. Yeah, so you scrub this thoroughly, you scrub this really well. Scrub your affected areas, those places that you have problem, scrub them and make them glow. Remove the dead skin cells by scrubbing this. And as you scrub, you massage. Okay? As you scrub, you massage. So scrub it, you give it a good massage. Yeah? So after which you actually scrub really well, then you can apply this again so that you can hold it on for some while. Yeah, now this would help you to stay glowing. It will make your skin stay really beautiful and stay toned. Okay, so this ingredient is going to prevent the sun, so invariably your face is not going to be experiencing sunburn or whatsoever. Okay, and this ingredient is going to prevent those fine lines, those freaking fine lines that actually make someone look or want to look older than his or her real age. Come on, look beautiful even without makeup. Yeah, okay guys, so I'm gonna wait for 3 minutes and I'll go wash this off and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so that's it guys. This is actually, it feels really good on my skin. Like I am so loving it, and all of the ingredients are very natural and very effective. It contains antioxidant, which is actually going to make you look superb, increase the elasticity on your skin, and it's also going to keep your skin glowing. Yeah, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.